So we just took a shower. It's super dark out, and even though it's quite late in my opinion, they still haven't stopped the background music. I hope that doesn't get copyrighted in the video. My mission right now is right here. I'm supposed to park the motorbike because this is considered the hotel property area. We have our motorbike up there, and we have it up there because we don't want to bring it down this hill, because if we go down here it has to go back up tomorrow, and it's not healthy for the motor of the motorbike to go up such a steep hill. Oh man, it's quite dark. Okay, it's quite a mission. Good thing I got a flashlight. Okay, feel like Leon. So is anyone here? Oh, there's a dog there. Let's get this motorbike downhill. Hope that dog doesn't come out and bite me. So mission accomplished. I brought the bike down, no problem. And the dog did bark a lot when I turned on the bike. So no one understands my Vietnamese except for you? Yeah. So I didn't get that on camera. I yelled into the room, "Em tin ở đâu?" and the lady did not understand me, but you understand me, right?
Of course.
Alright, can you say it correctly in the proper accent?
Em tin ở đâu?
Okay, yeah, so I can't say that for life apparently. Watermelon?
Yeah.
For me and you?
Yeah, both of us.
And for Gio?
No, just you. Go, Evan.
Okay, this is definitely old by now. It's been hours.
Bring it đi.
Everything?
Yeah.
Bring the barbecue down? Okay. Oh, camera woman. Okay, yeah, you can film.
Let's okay.
It's
Yeah.
filming.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now Gio is filming, and I'm bringing down what's going to be barbecue. Oh, and that's a watermelon right there.
Be careful.
This is a lot easier than it looks. Yeah.
What is it?
What is it? I have no idea. Octopus, mực,
Mực.
tôm và cá bạc má,
Cá bạc má.
which is my favorite. Wait, is that cá bạc má? No. No? Okay. Oh wow! You even put a fire. Oh, this is the barbecue?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't shoot. Okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, just put that there.
Rồi, bữa lại cho em.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wait, you're gonna drink Pepsi?
Of course.
Alright, so I just want to let you know that the film quality isn't so good right now because of how dark it is. I wonder, what if I put on the, let's see, I'm gonna try and put on a flashlight. Do you see flash? Oh wow. It's super bright now. So I tried putting on the flash. No flash. And this is flash. So what do you do? Alright, and take out the flash. You're burning the aluminum foil? Wow, this is the first time I've seen you burn something. Because like I mentioned before, people in Vietnam, they love to burn things. Can you explain why Vietnamese people like to burn things so much?
First, they burn it because they wanna kill mosquito.
Okay.
Then they burn it to not have a lot of trash.
Not have a lot of what? Trash?
Trash, yeah.
Do you mean they burn their garbage
Exactly.
instead of throwing it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Another reason?
That's it.
I'm literally not exaggerating when I say that Vietnamese people, at least people here in Vietnam, they burn so many things. So when I say that they burn things, Not so much in Ho Chi Minh City, but more outside in other cities. That is less of a city, more countryside. There's just smoke everywhere, random things burning. It's amazing. Ah, looks delicious. So basically, you're the best cook ever?
Yeah.
Okay, so no more things are burning. Oh, actually, two more things. But I just want to show the fish that was in the aluminum foil this whole time. That is not catback, man. What is this?
I don't know how to call it. I
Okay.
forget the name. Oh, quite good. I haven't tasted. So sweet. Oh my god. Biết không? Super soft.
One last time feeding the kittens. Not sure why they like my shoes. I like my shoes too, probably because it's warm. These guys might be a tad bit cold. They all live in that little pipe. They just fit in one after another.